Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what financial products Mogo offers. Mogo is a financial technology company that provides a range of products and services designed to help people manage their finances. The specific offerings can vary by country, but generally, their products include personal loans and lines of credit. These are often used for things like debt consolidation or managing unexpected expenses. In addition to lending, Mogo offers services focused on improving financial health. This can include credit score monitoring, which allows users to track their credit score for free. They also have products that assist with things like identity fraud protection. Furthermore, Mogo has ventured into other areas of finance, such as investment and asset financing. This might include services like a Bitcoin wallet for trading and holding cryptocurrency, or even financing for vehicles like cars, motorcycles, or tuk-tuks in some regions. They also offer a prepaid Visa card for spending and budgeting. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.